Cars today are more than just machines that get us from point A to point B. There are mobile offices, coffee shops, safety pods, and even entertainment centers. And with the right gadgets, you can make every drive smoother, safer, and a lot more fun. In today's video, we're diving into 30 brand new car gadgets that every driver will want in 2025. From life-saving safety tech to comfort upgrades and road trip essentials, these gadgets will transform the way you drive. Number 1. HUDWAY Drive. AR head-up display, $199. Turn any windshield into a smart cockpit. HUDWAY Drive projects your speed, turn-by-turn navigation, and calls right in your line of sight so you're not glancing down at your phone. The image stays bright in daylight and dims at night to prevent glare. Setup is simple. Mount on the dash, pair with iOS Android, and you're cruising with fighter jet vibes. Number 2. Drop Stop Seat Gap Filler, $25. And the phone between the seats. Panic. This flexible neoprene sleeve slides over the seatbelt buckle and seals the gap along your center console, catching keys, fries, cards, coins, everything. It blends into the interior and flexes as you move the seat, so you install it once and forget it. Small upgrade, big sanity saver. Number 3. NONDA ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor, $99. Real-time tire intel without a shop visit. Replace your valve caps with these Bluetooth sensors and watch live pressure and temperature in the app. A slow leak alert pings you before things get dangerous or expensive. The solar charged display sits on your dash so you don't even have to plug it in. Number 4. HANDPRESSO Auto Hybrid. 12V espresso maker, $129. Barista shots at the rest stop. Plug this compact machine into your 12-volt socket, add water, and use a pod or ground coffee for fresh espresso in minutes. A built-in pressure gauge ensures proper extraction, and the travel-friendly form factor fits cup holders. Road trip caffeine just went pro. Number 5. NOCO Boost Plus GB40 Jump Starter, $99. A dead battery doesn't have to wreck your day. This glove box-sized lithium jump starter can restart most cars and SUVs without another vehicle. Spark-proof clamps keep things safe, and it doubles as a power bank, plus LED flashlight for roadside emergencies. One charge lasts multiple jumps. Number 6. Rain X. LATITUDE 2-in-1, $23. See clearly in a downpour. These beam-style blades lay down a hydrophobic coating that beads water off your windshield, reducing chatter and streaks. Installation takes minutes, and the flexible spine hugs curved glass for even pressure. Better visibility, less white-knuckle driving. Number 7. OWLCAM 5.0 AI dash camera, $199. A smart guardian for your ride? OWLCAM records inside and outside the car, detects break-ins, and sends live clips to your phone if something happens. Say, "Okay, Owl, save video" to instantly bookmark footage. With 24/7 monitoring and a clean mount, it's security that doesn't get in your way. Number 8. VACLIFE Cordless Car Vacuum, $29. Crumbs, sand, pet hair, gone in seconds. This lightweight handheld vac delivers strong suction with crevice and brush attachments for hard-to-reach spots under seats and in cup holders. The washable HEPA filter cuts running costs, and the compact body stows easily in the trunk or door pocket. Number 9. LANMODO VAST Pro Night Vision System, $399. Own the night. An infrared sensor plus IPS display reveals the road up to approximately 300 meters ahead, picking out pedestrians, animals, and obstacles that headlights miss. Works in rain, fog, and low-light conditions, and mounts on the dash without permanent wiring. It's like turning darkness into daylight. Number 10. AUTOXSCAPE 3-in-1 Emergency Tool, $24. A glove box lifesaver. This rugged aluminum tool combines a spring-loaded window breaker, razor-sharp seatbelt cutter, and a bright flashlight with strobe SOS modes. The ergonomic grip works when hands are wet or shaky, and the mount keeps it within reach on the visor or console. Number 11. AUKEY 30-watt dual-port fast car charger, $19. Never run out of battery again. This compact charger powers 2 devices at once with USB-C PD and Quick Charge 3.0, meaning your phone, tablet, or even a laptop gets juiced up while you drive. Built-in safeguards prevent overheating, and its low-profile design looks sleek in any dash. Number 12. THISWORK's portable car vacuum cleaner, $35. Plug it into the 12-volt outlet, and you've got suction strong enough for crumbs, pet fur, or sand. It comes with 3 attachments, a spare filter, and even its own carrying bag. Unlike most vacuums, it's light, slim, and built for cleaning on the go, not dragging out the garage shop vac. Number 13. Solar-powered wireless tire pressure monitor, $69. This smart kit comes with 4 external valve cap sensors and a solar-powered display that mounts on your dash. It tracks tire pressure and temperature live, warning you of leaks, overinflation, or blowout risks. A budget-friendly alternative to dealer-installed TPMS systems. Number 14. Chemical Guy's new car smell air freshener, $12. Bring back that fresh-off-the-lot vibe. This concentrated spray doesn't just mask odors, it neutralizes them while leaving behind a subtle, authentic new car scent. A few spritzes under the seats or on mats last for weeks. It's the easiest interior upgrade you'll ever do. Number 15. FOVEL 150-watt power inverter, $29. Turn your 12-volt socket into a power hub. With 2 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, you can charge laptops, cameras, tablets, or game consoles while traveling. Compact enough to fit in the cup holder, it's a must-have for road trips, camping, or mobile work setups. Number 16. WAGUN heated car blanket, $39. Stay cozy on cold commutes. This plush fleece blanket plugs into the cigarette lighter and warms up in minutes. It's large enough to share and comes with a safety shut-off timer. Perfect for passengers on long winter drives or emergencies when the heater can't keep up. Number 17. IOTTIE Easy 1 Touch 5 Dashboard Phone Mount, $27. One tap and your phone locks in place. This adjustable mount rotates for landscape or portrait mode, extends telescopically, and grips securely without wobble. It fits nearly all phones and makes navigation or hands-free calls safer and simpler. Number 18. Portable mini fridge for car, $59. Keep drinks chilled or food warm on the road. This thermoelectric fridge Josh warmer plugs into your car socket and holds up to 6 cans. Switch from cooling to heating with a flip, making it perfect for long drives, tailgating, or keeping baby bottles at the right temp. Number 19. SATECHI Bluetooth media button, $29. Control your music without touching your phone. This wireless button mounts on the steering wheel or dash, letting you skip tracks, pause, or adjust volume safely. Great for Spotify, YouTube Music, or podcasts when you don't want distractions. Number 20. STALWART trunk organizer with cooler bag, $45. Turn your messy trunk into organized storage. This heavy-duty organizer has adjustable compartments, side pockets, and a built-in insulated cooler bag for groceries or drinks. Collapsible when not in use, it keeps everything from tools to snacks in place on every ride. Number 21. ASTROAI digital tire inflator with pressure gauge, $35. Flat tire? No problem. This compact inflator and pressure gauge combo plugs right into your car's 12-volt socket and pumps air fast with precise PSI readings. It has an auto shutoff to prevent overfilling and even a built-in flashlight for late-night emergencies. Number 22. NORSHIRE Mini Portable Car Jump Starter, $99. Slim, powerful, and designed like a power bank, this jump starter can revive a dead car battery in seconds. It also doubles as a USB charger for devices, and its minimalist design slips right into your glove box. Essential backup gear every driver should carry. Number 23. LED roadside emergency flares, $29, set of 3. These aren't regular flares. They're rechargeable LED beacons that flash bright red to alert other drivers if you break down. Magnetic bases let you stick them to your car, and they're waterproof and shatterproof. Perfect safety companions for long trips. Number 24. Car Sun Visor Hood Display, $85. Ever wished your car had a futuristic head-up display like a fighter jet? This gadget turns your regular windshield into one. The Car Sun Visor HUD display projects real-time data such as speed, RPM, navigation directions, and even fuel consumption directly in front of your eyes. No more glancing down at the dashboard. Everything you need is safely displayed in your line of sight. It attaches easily to your visor, runs off your car's OBD2 port or USB, and has adjustable brightness for both day and night driving. A true blend of safety and style for modern drivers. Number 25. VANTRUE N 4-3-channel dash cam, $259. For serious drivers, this premium dash cam records in 4K front, 1080p rear, and cabin view all at once. With night vision, parking mode, and motion detection, it captures every angle, whether you're driving or parked. Ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting peace of mind. Number 26. Armor All-Car Cleaning Wipes Kit, $15. Quick touch-ups made easy. This kit includes interior detailer wipes, glass wipes, and tire wipes, all packed in a portable canister. Keep them in your glove box for instant cleaning, perfect for messy commutes or last-minute carpool rides. Number 27. LANMODO Night Vision Camera, $499. Turn night into day with this infrared night vision display. It mounts on your dash and extends visibility up to 300 meters, making dark, foggy, or rainy driving much safer. It's like giving your car a superhuman pair of eyes. Number 28. ePauto Waterproof Rooftop. Cargo carrier, $69. Need more storage? This 15 cubic foot rooftop carrier fits most cars with or without a roof rack. It's waterproof, wind resistant, and folds flat when not in use. Great for camping, vacations, or family road trips when the trunk just isn't enough. Number 29. NOCO Genius 10 Smart Battery Charger, $139. Keep your car battery healthy year-round. This smart charger and maintainer works on 6 volts and 12 volts batteries, including AGM and lithium. It can even repair deeply discharged batteries, saving you trips to the mechanic. Compact, powerful, and foolproof. Number 30. Smart Car Air Purifier with HEPA filters, custom, $75. Long drives can sometimes mean dealing with dust, smoke, or unpleasant odors inside your car. This compact smart air purifier plugs right into your vehicle's power outlet and uses a medical-grade HEPA filter to capture 99% of airborne particles like dust, pollen, and bacteria. It even comes with an ionizer that neutralizes odors, leaving your cabin smelling fresh. A built-in air quality indicator lets you know how clean your air is in real time. At just $75, it's the perfect final gadget for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. And there you have it. 30 incredible car gadgets that upgrade safety, comfort, and convenience every time you hit the road. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone who just loves keeping their car in top shape, there's something here for you. Which gadget would you add to your ride first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing gadget discoveries. Until next time, drive safe and stay smart. Drive.